Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so glad to have you back on my YouTube channel. On today's video is all about my COVID test. Today we'll be trying this COVID-19 test. So actually I was sick 2 weeks ago. I have been very sick. So I was thinking it's COVID. So I was like, what is going on? I'm not in my country. I am in Asia, the place where COVID-19 is a lot, everybody. But initially, let me just be plain with you. I don't believe in COVID at first. I was thinking it's just politics, this one, that one. But when my friend got killed by the virus, that was when I took it so seriously. I started using my 2 masks when I'm going out. I start keeping social distancing and all that. It wasn't really, this month has been a very tough month for me. This month stroke last month. This month I was sick. Last month I lost my very close friend. She died of COVID-19. I don't know if you guys have seen the video that I did with her. We did ramen spicy indomie. The lady there, she was my best friend, but she died of COVID-19. So that's the reason why I decided to take this very serious. COVID-19 is real, guys. If there's a way you can go for your swab test, do it. If you're sick, try to know if it is COVID or not. It's just normal fever. Because now in this place that I am, the weather is changing and everyone is sick. Most of the sickness is not COVID, it's just change of weather and all that. So today, let's just cut the long story short. I'll be doing my saliva COVID test. The board is COVID kit online. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. Sometimes the camera is actually the same. I bought 2. So I actually watched few videos that shows how to use this. I've not used this before. I've gone for the main swab test, the one that they do through the nose, but this one is your saliva. I can't do the one through the nose because I'm not a professional. I can only do this one, and the results, you get the results after you do the test. Same thing as the pregnancy test. If you want to know if you're pregnant or not, for the ladies, you guys know what I'm talking about. So this one I'll be trying it today. Although I'm not a professional, I can't really tell you the name of the item inside, but I can just do it as clear as possible that everyone understand what I'm trying to show in this video. So this video is not sponsored though, it's just what I want to do, so that anyone that want to use this can have a guideline and how to do it. I'm not really a professional and I'll do it the way I saw them do on YouTube. I've watched a lot of video. I actually took my time to watch a lot of video so I can be able to make you guys understand. So if you really want to know how I do this and you want to see my result for the COVID test, keep watching. I'll see you on the next one. Here is the COVID-19 kit. We're going to start the test now. First thing first, you have to sanitize your hands. You have to wash your hands, then you sanitize it. I already washed my hands, so I'll be sanitizing it before I start the test. So look at it. You have to open through this place down. So you just do like this. There you go. So this is the menu where you can just read and go through the instruction. I already read it before, so no need to go through that. No need to go through this anymore. So keep this aside. Then here is the COVID text. This kit is just like the pregnancy test. So this is it. This is it. It has expiring date. You can see the date, expiration date. Inside we got the funnel. This is the funnel, and we'll have the fluid, the one you add to your saliva to give you your result. Then we'll have the cover, and this one is where you spit in and put the cover here like this. Then you spit in through the funnel. Then after the spit is inside the buffer, then you close it using this cover. Close like this. Before you close, you have to add this fluid. You have to add a solution to your spit inside of it. So I will not be spitting through the on camera. I'll come back and show you how it is. So what else do we have here? We have the alcohol pad. Then we have biosafety bag. This bag is where you put your text after you're done with everything. You put it inside. It has a seal. You seal it properly and trash. So guys, now I'll be going to put my saliva inside this thing. Before then, let's read the instruction. As you guys can see, these are all the instructions that we are going to follow accordingly. The first thing first, we have to cough 3 to 5 times. Here's the spit. I already spit into this funnel, through this funnel down to the buffer. So before I forgot, before you can do this test, you don't have to eat anything. So I'm doing it in the morning. I've not eaten anything, and you don't have to take any alcohol. You don't need to take any water or anything. You just do it straight. So this is how it looks like, and I tried to put the spit inside. The foam of the spit was a little bit higher to the side, but you have to make sure the foam, the main spit, not the foam, has to reach this point. There's 2 points, one line here, one other line here. The one here, that's where your spit needs to end. So the spit is at this end. So the next thing, what did they say we should do here? Remove the funnel, add the oral fluid. So like I told you, the spit should reach this line. As you guys can see, they're indicating it, I should reach this line. So now I have to take off this funnel and add the fluid. So second, they said place the tube into the tube holder, which is add the entire disposable buffer inside. So now we're going to add this into the fluid. Okay, now we're going to take this out. Then we are going to add this fluid inside the saliva. To make sure everything is inside, so when you add the fluid inside, it will get to the other line. The first line is down your saliva, the other one, when you add it, get to this place. So what's the next thing? Squeeze 10 to 15 times. So now we're going to squeeze this 10 to 15 times. Okay, what's the next one here? Then you have to cover it using the cover. Yeah, okay. So you're going to cover it is this. So we'll place it on this place there. So now we're going to open this. So you can use your scissors, you can also use your hands to open. So now here's the test. So it has COVID-19 AG CTX. So this X, we are going to drop the fluid inside. So let's read it. Drop 2 drops of solution into this place. We are going to add just 2 drops inside this place. So let's go. One, 2. So that is it. As you guys can see now, is already reading. So I'll see you when the result is out. I'm back with the results. I'm so excited, guys, because my result came out the way I was expecting it. So I'm just doing it for the sake of people that is just at home, that's you're scared within you. Before you go for the main swab test, you can actually do this at home and see your results. If you do and have 2 lines, you can also quarantine yourself and quarantine the people around you. Okay, let me show you the results. Yeah, this is it. It shows 1 line, so that means I am COVID-19 negative. I don't have the virus. So you guys can also try this. You can get this online. I bought mine from Lazada, so you can also get yours online and just try it out and see. So don't forget to comment in the comment center. Tell me if you've done it, and if you've done the fluid one, the saliva one, or the one that they put in your nose. And anyone is also good. I am scared of this one. I'm pretty scared. So that's the reason why I tried the saliva one, because that one is pretty easy and you can do it by yourself. So guys, I'm happy. I'm so excited. I'm negative. So before I round up this video, if you would like me to try any other thing, you can put that on the comment center. Just let me know. I will try my possible best to give you the best review that I can do. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you so much. Stay safe and God bless you.